What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, September 12th. Crazy week ahead. So I guess we'll just take this kind of a day at a time. So today, over under is 40.66. We dipped down, closed the gap Sunday night. It opened up higher, closed it, came back. So we're up at 90 now. Basically, any open above 77 is going to be bullish. So we're bullish now. Upside targets definitely this 35 level, and then we're gonna definitely look at the 50 level as well. So 35, 50, and then top of the line here is probably 4200. And if we pop above that, you have a 4203 high up here, and then a 4217. So we could get up to that 20 level, which would kind of makes sense. Your 200's up at 4273. That was the target last move. Your 50 did cross the 100 right here, so some people are going to get extremely bullish here. And I'm not saying we can't rip. I'm not saying we can't go up. I'm not saying we can't go down. Just careful with the bias. But you're going to get a lot of people who are a lot of bullishness talk, rippy talk. I'm not saying they're wrong. I'm just when everybody gets on one side, it makes me nervous. Lower level 4010, if that goes, then we see our 3980 again. Again, we'll see if, today, 3970, 3980, those are two different, decent levels. And then we get into the 3940s again. So we'll see if we come down or if we just kind of trend higher. Maybe we consolidate into tomorrow. That's the huge CPI deal. Here's your daily. So here's my trend line here. Here's the green is the 200 day. So that's at 4273 as of now. Obviously we're not going to get up there today, but that would be my target if we were going to really squeeze that. What would be interesting though is if we did that and popped above a little bit just to get really everybody off sides and then come back down. But we'll see if how far we go up and how far this transpires. Again, there's a lot of information coming down the pike this week. Crude oil has a cycle target of the 13th, so we'll see if that changes or if there's any event that would switch that. Pivots 4049. We're hovering right now at R1, which is 4093. 4121 and 4165. Downsides 4022, 3978, and 3950. That's the hourly. These pivots are good. Here's our 3-month. Forgot to even load this one. I'm going to take a second. I think that's at 41.45 still. Yeah. So this is your 5-day. Typically, this is going to be resistance in a bear market. In a bull market, it's support. So that's right there in that 40.50. Well, that 41.50 target would be about that. So we'll watch that level. I'm not saying that holds, but this is more of a macro reference of what's going on. Cash gap from yesterday or Friday, whatever it was, 40.22 to 40.05. So we'll watch for that to maybe fill, but we're going to open up around here today. So we'll get into this traffic. And then upside, we've got 42.28, 42.20 for that cash gap up here. So that'd be interesting if we went up there to fill that too as well. Euro just on a tear. You had your low of 98.6, and now it's we're up at above 101. So now we're back into the 101, 103 half range. So we'll see if we stay there. If that reverses, there could be some reprieve here. It's been on a pretty decent downtrend. And so, again, this is why, everyone's calling for an SPX rip. It's just because the shorts got played out. We came all the way down and, they've kind of been trapped. And now this is just kind of how the cycle is going to go here. The question is how far are these reprieves going to go back? Or these bear market rallies or short, whatever, short squeezes, whatever you want to call them. So reactions to the low. But again, we could test all the way back up here. I don't know. What else? Here's our array for the day. We've got a directional change today, high volatility, which makes me suspect of whether or not we do really get a face ripping rally. Tomorrow is a panic and a directional change, but typically these are neutral, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'm not quite sure. I don't really have a lot of read on this now. Not much today, and then tomorrow is that huge CPI number that everyone's looking at. Medium forecast, this says 8. I heard 8.1, but we'll see. Anything in that range. So, maybe we print an 8.1 or an 8.0 and we rally. Wednesday, there's also, we've got a lot of stuff this week, but Europe's also coming out with some CPI numbers. I think one's on Friday and one's on Wednesday, or one's on Thursday and Friday. I'm not quite sure. I got to look at that up. So anyway, that's where we're at. So today I'm cautiously bullish just because of where we're at now. Again, we open up here, we lose 40.10 and that goes away. So if we lose that level, or ideally the 40.30 level, that's a lot of traffic here too. So that 40.30 level is going to be big, but my line in the sand is that 40.10. If we break that and start heading lower, then this was your peak, and now we're going to head back down. But again, we're only trading today. We'll worry about tomorrow. And anyway, have a good day, and don't stick around in those trades. If you see profit, take profit, because this thing is still really fucking with people. All right.